Are you tired of just getting by with your iPhone? From secret shortcuts to game-changing features, get ready to elevate your iPhone experience. Stay tuned and I will show you how to unlock your iPhone's full potential. At the end, I will show you how to access my digital downloads for how to be smart with your smartphone. Let's get started. 10 ways you can optimize your iPhone. Here are 10 incredible tips to help you get the most out of your technology. Quickly access camera. Did you know you can access your iPhone's camera without unlocking your phone? While in lock screen, before you unlock it, simply slide to the left and access the camera. If your phone is unlocked, here's another quick way to access your camera. Just slide down your control center. Oh, you don't have the camera in your control center? Let me show you now how to add tools to your control center. Go to Settings, Control Center, and access tools that have not been included. We're going to add Magnifier, Camera, Text Size, and Music Recognition. Now when you want to quickly access your camera, slide down from the control center and you'll see it's there. Tired of missing important calls when your phone is on silent? Here's a way to customize vibration and haptics so you know who's calling. Open Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone. Make sure you go to the top of your screen to Haptics, click on that, then scroll to the very bottom for Create New Vibration. Here's where you're going to customize your vibration pattern by tapping on your phone. When you're happy with it, press Stop. Then you can save it, you can give it a name, and then you can add it to a contact. Typing on your iPhone can sometimes be a hassle, especially when you can't get the cursor to move where you want it. Here's how to access a hidden feature. Quickly turn your keyboard into a trackpad. Hold down the space bar and your keyboard disappears and you can use your finger to place the cursor exactly where you want it. I use this all the time. Change the size of the text as often as you want. Make it bigger and make it smaller depending on your needs. Maybe you need the text size increased because the document you're reading has very small text. Access Text Size tool with the control center and use the slider to make it bigger. Maybe you're on a website and a pop-up appears and you can't see the close button or the X. Choose the Text Size tool, make it smaller until you see the close button. Need to hang a picture straight? Easy peasy. Launch the Measure app on your iPhone, select the second tab, which is level, and hold your phone up to the wall. Never have a crooked picture again. Say goodbye to bulky scanners. Open the Notes app. Select a new note. Select the camera icon. Select Scan New Document. Put it in manual if you want more control. Point your phone at the document. Select Scan. Save it. Once it's saved, you can easily share it as a PDF. If you're listening to a song and you really want to know what that music is, all you have to do is say, "Hey Siri, what's that song?" Or you can slide the control center down and press Shazam or music recognition, and it will tell you the name of the song and who's performing. Forgot your reading glasses? No problem. In a dark restaurant and having trouble seeing the menu? No problem. Turn your magnifier on in the control center. Point it at an object and slide the magnifier up or down till it's where you want it. You can take a screenshot to access later and it'll be saved in your camera roll. Made a mistake while crunching numbers? You don't have to go all the way back to the beginning. Here's how you can take away digits. Place your finger over the display window and slide left to quickly erase the last digit or digits that you entered. No more starting over from scratch. In an emergency, every second counts. Press the side button and one of the volume buttons to access this feature. Your iPhone will activate Emergency SOS and automatically call emergency services with your location where available. This provides you crucial assistance when you need it. If you accidentally activate SOS, just press cancel. With these 10 amazing tips, you'll master all of your iPhone secrets in no time. Access my digital downloads and my Settings Mastery Challenge on my channel page. But before you click away, press the like button, subscribe for more, and leave a comment to let me know what video you'd like me to cover next.